How to import MP3 file into WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, look for the File menu located at the top left corner of the WavePad window. Then, click on it to open the drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Open File, which will bring up a file browser window, allowing you to choose the audio file you want to import. You can also quickly open the file browser by pressing the shortcut Ctrl+O on your keyboard. Or, you can click on Open directly under the Home menu section on the second row. When the file browser window appears, navigate through your folders and drives to locate the folder where your MP3 file is saved. Select the MP3 file you want to import into WavePad. Remember, WavePad supports a wide range of audio formats, including MP3, so you can work with many different file types. After selecting the MP3 file, click the Open button to load it into WavePad's editing interface. Your MP3 file will now appear inside WavePad, ready for you to edit, cut, apply effects, or make any other adjustments you need for your project. And that's it. Now you know how to import an MP3 file into WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.